Hey guys, today we're going to learn a fun intro from Colin Raye. It is from the song called Love Me, and it's a really neat intro that uses a lot of hybrid picking in it. So stay tuned to learn that. Before we get started, click subscribe below if you're enjoying my videos, and if you'd like to learn from me, then click on one of the links in the description to get hooked up with some of my free lessons and even some of my paid lessons. Let me know if you have any requests in the comments below. This is more of an intermediate riff, so if you are brand new, then you might want to look at some of my other videos and work up to this one. So like I said, this is going to use hybrid picking, and let's talk about what that is. So hybrid picking is using your fingers and your pick. So let's go through the way that works in this particular song. So in this song, you've got a couple of chords that you're going through. So we've got C, then G, A minor, then we're going to go to a C with a G in the bass. It looks like this. So this is actually called, in musical terms, it's called a second inversion C chord. But normally if you see it on a chord chart, it would be C/G. Then this is D minor. Then G with a suspended fourth. Then C. Then this is just an F with a C in the bass. Okay, so let's go through how to hybrid pick that. So all we're going to do is we're going to pluck different strings as we're going through. So for the C, we're plucking the C, this note, and the high E. For the next chord, we're going to pluck, so this is the G chord. For the next chord, we're going to pluck the B, so this note right here, and the D, the B string, and then use those same two strings for the A minor. Then when we play this C chord, we're going to play the low E and the B. So far we've got A and E is what we're playing. Then A and B. Then A and B again. Then low E and B. Then D and high E, then low E and B, then we're going to play A and B, then D, D and B, D and B. Alright, so let's go through the rest of it. So for the C part, we're going to play those two notes. Then we're going to play 3rd fret on the B, then 1st fret, and then we're ready to go to the next chord. So let's try that again. Ready, go. Then we go to the G chord, play those two. Then we play the G and high E. We're going to go to the A minor, play the A and B string, lift up this finger, then we play the low E and B, then we're going to kind of arpeggio through this, then D minor, lift, so that is you're plucking the D and the high E, lift your first, then play this B string, then 1st finger on the 1st fret of the B. Then we're going to go to that G suspended. So this is a G suspended fourth, which means a C is not normally in a G chord. So this is the C right here. Then we lift it. So, from D minor to G. Then we're going to play the A and B. So let's go through the whole thing. C. All right, let's go through it a little faster. 1, 2, ready, go. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click subscribe and let me know any songs that you'd like to see me do a little bit later. After this part of the video is over, then stay tuned for the tablature that goes along with this so that you can play along with it. And check out some more of my videos that are coming out. I have another video coming out later for Six Sad Little World, which is also in the top 5 riffs, and I have a couple more lessons that are coming out weekly. Once again, click subscribe below, and I'll see you next time, guys.